This is basically the conversation that ChatGPT and I had in regards to Prompt01 acceptance authority and the production files. This is the entire conversation in regards to it, myself, and Codex in order to have this information documented. Get ChatGPT to have a look over it, pretty much verify that Codex was doing what Codex was doing, SRR was doing what it was supposed to be doing, whether or not they were truthful, whether or not they agreed. So this is basically pretty much the information that we gathered. It's pretty lengthy. I'm just going to scroll through it real quick. I have it documented in my account. It's also been saved in SRR library, because in the SRR library it basically has a full library of a lot of things that happen, that I've been working on, building, and so on and so forth. Just in case you got to go back, you have to take a look at things, have to see how something was working, not working, how it got built, how it got processed. I like to keep it sort of tight, sort of hard keeping everything organized, but basically this is pretty much the testament. These last documents here, which are downloaded, those are the documents in here. These are the ones that basically I've downloaded, and then I also had Codex save those documents so that we would have verification of those documents. And that's basically the 01 prompt test. This is the first test of the official 1 to 50 that we're going to be doing for the challenge. We're going to get these tests put together. We got to build them first, and then we got to test them, make sure that they work. And then the fun's going to pretty much begin, because we're going to get these other agents in here seeing what they can do. So we're going to have to construct everything and put them together. The main reason why I wanted to use Chat and basically Codex is because they're the big boys. They don't play around. And so it's my job as a vibe coder, prompt coder, whatever you want to call it, a builder, developer. It's my job to basically try to get these answers. And the main thing is we need to have a little bit more truthfulness in how these AI models, once they're quantized down, how they actually are going to give answers. You can't just expect them to be like, hey, I'm just doing the best that I can. Here it is. And we're good to go. It doesn't work like that. These things can pretty much lie and be pretty much honest too. It's not that they're lying because they don't know. It's just they're too small. They've been changed as their size was redeveloped into a smaller size to run. So what I found is some of the models run really good on an atomic topology, and then they fail. And so it was necessary to create a hybrid type of system, more hybrid modular system, so that way you could run portions of the job, seam them together to get the entire job, and you still get the truth behind it. The model, they don't have any problem doing the job. It's just how long it takes for them to do the job and how big the job is and the complexity of the job. If it's something simple, they can do it. But if it's something that's very complex, they have a hard time in doing it, and that's what pretty much causes what I think, for whatever intensive purposes or reasons, them to hallucinate. So we're trying to stop that hallucination. We're trying to make sure that they're accurate. If you tell them to do something, they actually do it. And that's what we're here about. Looking for the truth, trying to figure out what works, what doesn't work. And basically overall, we are trying to make it work. My name is Issiah. This is a Saturday. Could be any day, but it's a Saturday. And I'm the spaceman. And basically, this is the first major test in a milestone in SRR, because when SRR started, it was infantile. I really didn't know what I was trying to get out of it and get it to do. I just wanted to have something that could talk to me and basically run a few things. And now I'm like, well, it goes beyond that. I don't just want it to run. I want it to work. And work is what we got to get these things to do. Anyway, I'm heading out. I got other things to do. Be getting more content to you. There's a couple days that I've missed. I'll be posting those up. There's some pretty special information in it. If you've missed any of the content, it's probably go back and good to see what's happening with the rest of the content. That was my accent coming out. Yeah, you got to go back and look at stuff. You can't skip stuff. Because what happens is if you miss something in the content, then you start to get lost, because we moved around a little bit here and there because I got work to do. But anyway, it's a different kind of channel. We're doing things differently. This is the Spaceman. You guys have a good day. I'm out of here. Spaceman out. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment. Leave your comments. They're very important. I will go through and read them and see what you have to say, because I like hearing what people have to say. I love what's on their minds. Spaceman out.